What's up, YouTube, and then welcome back to my channel once again. My name remains Richie1, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money online by uploading mobile APK file. Just mobile APK file, yes. So if you have a smartphone or a laptop, this method is going to work for you. So kindly watch to an end, and please don't click off the video and do things by yourself. If I review this website to you, yes, don't click off this video and do things by yourself. So the name of this website is apkadmin.com. apkadmin.com. Yes, with apkadmin.com, when you type in apkadmin.com, please you click on register on this on site, register on site. If you want to upload apk file, so you click on there and it will take you to this place where you choosing your username, Gmail or email address, and then you type in your password, retype your password, and you submit. And after that, you log in. You come to this section. So if you're in the top 3 countries like United States, Canada, Australia, you get $50 per 10,000 downloads. Yes, and Brazil, Mexico, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Russia, Australia, Japan, Netherlands, Sweden, Ireland, Switzerland, France to Chile. 10,000 downloads will give you $20. And India, Indonesia, Philippines, Bangladesh, Thailand, Vietnam, Morocco, Ukraine, Costa Rica, to Malaysia. $10,000 will give you $10. And if your country is not in the top 3 list, please, your country is here. So you pay 10,000 downloads, you get $4. If you get $10,000 from discount, the countries which are not in these 3 categories, means you get $4 per $10,000. So this is how this thing works. So go to upload files, and then you can drag and drop your APK files and you can upload it straightforward. So click on blast files. I think I have an APK file on my machine. So if you're using machine, computer or laptop, you can do the same thing. So come to where you store your APKs, and you can do things by uploading them. Where you upload your where you keep your APK files, you can do that. And yes, so you just earn money by uploading mobile APK. So these are some of the APK files that I have on my machine. So let's do it. Like, let's upload this, and okay, you can write description if you want to. You can write description. So let's start uploading. Yeah, as it's loading, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Yes, so it was successfully uploaded. Before you share link, with 5 to 10 minutes onto your file sync with cloud. So this is the link to my APK. So I can share this link through WhatsApp, Facebook, and whatever, wherever they are human beings, and I can get my downloads from. Yes, and if you want to learn more about this, you can go to my account and you can enable security lock, and you can enter here. You can enter your Gmail, paper email address, and if you want to reset your password, you can reset it here. And yes, so payment type is here. It's loading. Very soon it will appear. Payment type. So payment type. Yes, so payment type, we have Tether USDT, Bitcoin, BNB, Web Money, Dogecoin, and bank. If you want to request for bank withdrawal, you need to contact them, and PayPal and Bcash. You must contact them before you can get your money. So, guys, and when you, as you can see, I have zero balance and then 0 gig used. So I need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes before I can share my link and earn my money. So this site is very legit, and the maximum file that you can upload is 2 gig. The maximum file that you can upload is 2 gig per file. Yes, so the maximum file size that you can upload is 2 gig, but when you come to uploading, it's unlimited. You can upload as many files that you wish to upload, but the maximum capacity of file that you can upload to this website is 2 gig. Yes, and you can get unlimited downloads and high speed of any place, high speed from any place, and you can earn money by sharing your APK service. Yes, so you can see we have file sharing service for mobile files, APK, and smaller files. Easily upload your APK files, share it, and earn money. Unlimited space, no detection time, unlimited downloads, unlimited speed. Yes, so you can go to your reports to view your clicks. So if you have any clicks or earnings over here, this is where you can find them. This is where you can find your earnings per the file that you uploaded. And yes, and you can view their terms of service. If you wish to view them, you can view the terms of service. And yes, when it comes to the terms of service, welcome to APK service. And then yes, so you can take your time and then read through it before you go to the site. Please take note of this. I'm not a financial advisor, and I try to make videos on what works for me. So any result that you get, I'm not going to be held responsible for that. Yes, I do videos on what works for me. So please, I'm not a financial advisor. Please take note of this, and you can read their frequent. You can ask for the frequent asked questions. So what is apk.com? apk.com is smaller, file and easy uploading. Yes, you can read through it. And then yes, so guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, and then like this video, and then comment if you have any comment. And if I still have questions, if you still have questions to ask this the administrator, please, you can contact them through this Gmail account. You can contact them, or you click on contact us, and you can contact them through that. You can type your message, your username, and then you type in your message, and then you send, and they are going to answer you as soon as possible. If you need any assistance, please, if you have any question concerning this, please don't forget to leave that in the comment section, and I'll get time to read that and get back to you guys. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much for your time, and bye bye for now.